Does hair color leave your scalp itchy, tight, or irritated? You are not alone. Today, I'll show you the safest way to color if you're sensitive, what ingredients to look for, how to do the patch test properly, and my pro picks that are PPD-free, low PPD, or ammonia-free. Let's make your next color the best and safest yet. First, a quick foundation. Reactions can be irritant from harsh formulas or poor technique, or allergic, when your immune system reacts to an ingredient. The most common allergy trigger in hair dye is PPD, phenolene-diamine, especially in darker shades. Other factors like ammonia, peroxide, and certain solvents can also make scalps unhappy. The key is to identify the trigger and choose the color accordingly. And always do a patch test. Before we move on, I would like to quickly touch on Cosmetic World's disclaims. Cosmetic World's tutorials are for information purposes only. We therefore accept no liability for any outcomes that occur when using any of these products or techniques. Always consult a professional prior to use. Now let's get back to the tutorial. Let's proceed to the patch test. In order to carry out this test successfully, you will need protective gloves, cotton swab, and a mixing bowl. I have here a ready-made hair dye mixture. This mimics the real application. Second, make sure that the side is clean. You can use either behind your ear or inside your elbow. Using a cotton swab, apply the mixed dye to a clean area. Do not wash off for 48 hours. Watch the test side over 48 hours for redness, swelling, itching, burning, rash, or blisters. If you notice reaction, do not use the product. Rinse with mild soap and water. Consult a doctor or pharmacist if symptoms persist. If no reaction, you may proceed with the full hair application. Product pathways: PPD-free and low PPD, and also ammonia-free. First, PPD-free is Tocco Magico Freelux. Is both PPD-free and ammonia-free. It's designed to be gentler while delivering rich color and shine. If you've reacted to PPD before, this is a smart place to start. And still do the patch test to be safe. Another PPD-free route is the Goldwell Elumen. It is a non-oxidative system, no ammonia or peroxide, with intense shine and durability. Great for sensitive clients who want vibrant result without oxidative processing. Low PPD and ammonia-free and gentler system. First is the L'Oreal Professional INOA. L'Oreal Professional INOA is ammonia-free and permanent color using oil delivery technology for comfort and shine. It is popular for clients who want a full coverage with a more comfortable scent and feel. Next is the Wella Koleston Perfect. Wella Koleston Perfect uses Me+ molecule formulated to reduce the risk of developing a new allergy to hair color. You still must test. Schwarzkopf IGORA Zero Ammonia. And if ammonia is your issue, try Schwarzkopf Zero Ammonia. Line focuses on comfort with minimized odor and caring ingredients. Ideal for sensitive scalps and wanting to gentler experience. Remember, PPD-free or ammonia-free doesn't mean waste-free. Always follow direction and patch test before every application. Pro Stylist tips for sensitive scalp. A few tips to make coloring more comfortable. Apply a barrier cream around hairline and ears. Avoid overlapping onto previously colored hair. Measure, accurate, and stick to processing time. Rinse thoroughly and follow with gentle pH balance after color care. When in doubt, book a consultation. We can help you choose a system that fits your history. Quick guide. If you reacted to PPD, start with PPD-free option like Elumen or Freelux. If you want comfortable color, consider ammonia-free system like INOA or Zero Ammonia. If you color often and want innovation around sensitivity, try Koleston Perfect. And always do a patch test first. Ready for safer, more comfortable color? Shop products below or book an in-store consultation with me at Cosmetic World. I'll help you choose the right shade and formula for your scalp and your style. Links are in the description and pinned comment. See you soon!